In this video I will show you how to do the brioche increases. It's very simple. You just have to understand how it's done, and then it doesn't matter how many stitches you increase by. So the easiest, let's start now. Let's say we are knitting according to the pattern, and then we get to the stitch where we have to do the increase. So the simple increase is brioche knit, yarn over, brioche knit. So we are increasing by 2 stitches. Let's show it again. We are knitting the stitch and the yarn over. After that, make a yarn over and then knit again through the same stitch. And we have 3 stitches on the right needle. After that, we are knitting again according to the pattern. Let's say we have to do a more complicated increase, a 4 stitches increase. So for that, we brioche knit, again yarn over. You have to know that you knit, then make a yarn over, then knit again, brioche knit. That means you knit through the stitch and the yarn over that it has. So we have 3 stitches, and then again a yarn over and knit again, and we have 5 stitches. So we have increased by 4 stitches. From 1 stitch we have 5. After that, again we are knitting according to the pattern. Let's make a more sophisticated one. We will increase by 8 stitches. So brioche knit, yarn over, brioche knit. I repeat again, it means that you knit through the stitch and the yarn over, and then you make a yarn over, and then you knit again, and then you make a yarn over, and then you knit again. So maybe in this case we have to just count how many stitches we have on the right needle. So now we have 5, again a yarn over, knit again, we have 7. So I said an 8 stitch increase. That means we have to get here 9 stitches in the end. So we have 7. So we make again a yarn over, and then another brioche knit. So let's see, 2, 4, 6, 9. So it's very easy. You just have to understand. You brioche knit, and then you make a yarn over after each, and then brioche knit in the end. So to just close the deal, let's say it like that. So I have here a brioche knit, yarn over, brioche knit. You can see it because between the brioche purl stitches with the yarn over, so you have many stitches of the same color, of the main color. 3 stitches means you have a brioche knit, yarn over, brioche knit. 5 stitches here we have 4 stitches increase, and here 9 stitches we have an 8 stitches increase. So that's very easy to increase in brioche.